Hey everyone, today we are going to be dividing fractions. The first thing you need to know about division with fractions is what the word reciprocal means. A reciprocal is two numbers whose product is equal to 1. So the example that I have here is 2 over 3 and 3 over 2. When I multiply these fractions, the 2's cancel, the 3's cancel, and I'm left with 1's everywhere. A big part of dividing fractions is being able to find the reciprocal, because you cannot divide fractions without being able to do that part. So I've got some steps for division here. So it says rewrite all whole numbers with a denominator of 1. So we'll check for that first. If there are mixed numbers, we will write those as improper fractions. And then these 3 steps are going to be our major focus. So keep the first fraction the same, change division to multiplication, and then flip or find the reciprocal of the fraction that you are multiplying by. And then you're going to cross cancel if you can, and then you're going to multiply just like we've been multiplying. So it says, in short, keep, change, flip. This is what we are going to focus on doing. So we're going to keep the first fraction the same, change the sign to multiplication, and then flip. So we spent a whole bunch of time multiplying fractions to be able to do this, because you cannot divide fractions unless you can multiply. So for number 1, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write as 8 over 1. I'm going to keep the first fraction the same, 3 over 7. I'm going to change to multiplication, and I'm going to flip the second fraction. Then I'm going to look at, can I cancel anything? Well, 3 doesn't go with 7, 3 doesn't go with 8, so I can't cancel anything. That means I'm just going to multiply. So this is going to be 3 over 56. I'm going to change the 10 to a 10 over 1. I'm going to keep that 10 over 1 the same. I'm going to change to multiplication, and I'm going to multiply by 12 over 5. So I'm going to flip that second fraction. In this one, I can cancel. So 10 is going to become a 2, and the 5 is going to become a 1. And 2 times 12 is 24. The next one, I've got 2 over 6. Times 9 over 5. 6 and 9 have a 3 in common. And then I can cancel my 2's as well. So I'm left with 3 over 5. For number 4, I've got 2 over 5 times 10 over 3. 5 and 10 are going to cancel, and I am left with 4 over 3. Now for the ones that have to do with mixed numbers, I would like you to rewrite them first with your mixed numbers as improper fractions before you do your keep, change, flip. So I'm going to leave this as 2 over 3 divided by, and then I'm going to do 1 times 5 is 5, plus 3 is 8 over 5. And now I'm going to keep, change, flip. So I've got everything all nice and organized as my division. Now I'm going to keep, change, flip. So 2 over 3 times 5 over 8. The 2 and the 8 are going to cancel, so 1 and 4. And I'm left with 5 over 12. On the last one, I'm going to have 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14 over 3, divided by, and again, I'm keeping the division the same to start. So 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28 over 9. Now I'm going to keep, change, flip. So 14 over 3 times 9 over 28. The 14 and the 28 can cancel, so 1 and 2, and then the 3 and the 9 can cancel. And I'm left with 3 over 2. So this is dividing with fractions. You're going to keep, change, flip. If there are mixed numbers, change them to improper fractions first as division, then go ahead and do your keep, change, flip.